What's up, y'all? So I am back for another video. So you guys know that I'm really into natural healing, trying to do everything the natural way. So one thing that I was noticing is that my skin wasn't feeling as good as it normally does. I'm experiencing some redness and I have a little bit of acne going on right now. So I thought I would go back to something that I was using actually when I was in college that was really helping my skin, which is just an all natural green tea mask. You only need 2 ingredients and it's super easy to do. I just apply the mask and I try to do it about 2 to 3 times a week if my skin is really, going crazy, which it is right now. And I just took it off and my skin, you can see, has a little glow to it. A little bit of redness that I had has gone down and I can already tell that my skin is starting to get back to the weight that it was. So you guys should definitely try this mask out. So let's get into how you do it. So you only need a few ingredients, which are green tea, a face brush, a mixing bowl, and honey. So this mask is super easy to make. What you're gonna do is open up a used green tea bag. This is just from some tea that I made earlier this morning, and then I left the tea bag out and allowed it to cool. Next, we're gonna add some honey. I add about a tablespoon of honey. You can really just eyeball it because you want it to be kind of the consistency of like a paste, but you don't want it to be too thick or too thin because you don't want it hard to come off and you don't want it too thin where it's running down your face. So next it's time to apply the mask. The first thing I'm going to do is take my little headband that I got by Derma E and push all my hair back just to make sure that it's all out of my face and out of the way. So here is what my skin is looking like before I apply the mask. As you can see, I have a little bit of redness and some acne spots going on. So next, what I'm going to do is stir the mixture up one last time, make sure that it's fully incorporated. Then I'm going to take my face brush and start to apply a thin layer of the mixture all over my face. So I would suggest starting off with a thin layer, then gradually adding more product as you move forward, because as stated before, you don't want it to be too thick where it's running down your face. So you may be wondering why a green tea and honey mask. Green tea contains antioxidants that work against the skin's bacteria to help reduce inflammation and improve the elasticity of the skin, which means that it's great for people who have acne like me. Green tea also protects the skin from the sun and cleanses and reduces the appearance of pores. Green tea is also a natural skin toner and helps to reduce dark circles. Honey also contains antioxidants that lower the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps to soothe the skin. When green tea and honey come together, you have the perfect combination for healthy, glowy skin. Now that the mask is fully applied, I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. While I wait, I'm going to enjoy my tea that I made earlier to get the green tea bag and my avocado toast. I love avocado toast. Now it's time to remove the mask. All you have to do is take a warm washcloth and start to remove the mask off your face. As you can see, I'm gently taking the mask off my face because I don't want to cause more irritation. Ideally, it was better if you could do this over the sink and just splash the water over your face to get the mask to remove, but since I'm recording, it's kind of hard for me to record in front of my sink, so I just used a warm washcloth instead. But normally, I would splash the water on my face in order to get the mask completely off. So as you can see, my skin looks more vibrant, the redness has gone down, and my acne seems to be at bay. So as y'all can see, the mask is super easy to make. Only takes about a couple ingredients, and everything that you need you should already have in your house. So make sure you guys use the mask and let me know if you like it. And yeah, this is how I keep my skin looking good in the hood. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all next time. All right, bye guys.